Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, once again showing you our newest approved used stock. Today's return of this fabulous Land Rover Range Rover Evoque here in a range-topping Dynamic HSE trim, powered by D200 and finished in fabulous Santorini black metallic colour. In the front you can enjoy these sleek and stylish pixel LED headlights with signature DRLs, whilst around the side, complementing black gloss alloy wheels in this multi-spoke design will really finish off the look. In the rear the story is no different with signature shaped LED tail lights, and this model even benefits from this lovely fixed glass panoramic sunroof. For extra convenience, keyless entry and start will feature power-operated tailgate, revealing more than enough space for weekly shopping and trips away with foldable seats. Whilst inside the cabin, the rear tray is this part light oyster and ebony two-tone leather upholstery, unlocking seating for 3 in the back and even USB chargers. Whilst in the front, the stylish two-tone look continues with upgraded front seats offering additional side bolsters and even full electric adjustment. The driver can certainly look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated and features paddle shifts and an interactive driver display digital dashboard. In the center, the PV Pro connected touchscreen is an absolute joy to use, featuring easy controls for the 2-zone climate control and even heated front seats. Selectable drive modes are available for the all-wheel drive system, offering grip all year round, as well as added connectivity in the form of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in sat-nav will always ensure you never get lost, and FM and DAB digital radio will allow you to find favourite stations. 3-stage heated front seats will ensure you're covered for those colder winter months ahead of us, and also there's plenty to enjoy with a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants at all times. Helping you park is a helpful rear-view camera with wide-angle lens complemented by front and rear sensors, whilst down below you'll find easy controls for the wireless charger and overhead for the electric sunshade blind, revealing plenty of natural light to brighten things inside the cabin. This has been a presentation of the approved Land Rover Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.